Let's try halal wine. So I never had wine before and I don't drink. I'm not even sure what I'm supposed to be comparing the taste to. Basically, these are wines that used to have alcohol in them. So they were made the same way, but then they extracted the alcohol. And so what's left is everything else. All the flavors minus the flavor and the feeling of alcohol. These are 0.0% alcohol. This one is called Lucery Premium Red Tempranillo. I always heard about red wines being paired well with red meat. So for those who've been around alcohol or smelt it before, it smells like that typical red wine smell, which I'm not too fond of, but the more you smell it, then you really do smell a lot of grape juice. It tastes better than it smells. It honestly tastes like a mixture of really dark purple grape juice with a bit of vinegar. So I'm not too sure why something like this would pair well with red meat. I guess grape juice and red meat go well together? I don't know.
I want some grape drink, baby.
What is these names? Pierre Chavin Prestige Chardonnay Blanc. So I guess this is a white wine. This one kind of has the color of ginger ale, but without the fizz. Okay, this one reminds me of one of those Pokemon drinks that I had before. It smells really fruity. That's sweet. Okay, this is a lot better than a red one. It's more so like, it tastes like a frozen cotton candy grape. I don't know what you would drink this with, or if you would just drink this on its own. And it kind of feels like it's a bit on the soda water side. Like I feel a bit of bubbles or maybe a bit of acidity. I don't know what that is, but I dig it. Le Petit Beret Virgin Rose. This one looks like an apple rose gold. So it's almost like that elegant color. Not a fan of the smell. It reminds me of the red wine smell in a different way. I don't know. It's not alcohol because there's no alcohol in here, but it's that wine smell. That one barely has a taste. It's almost like if you took the red wine grape juice and you just diluted it with water. It's a really subtle hint of grape juice. Lucery Organic Brut Sparkling. That was cool. And this one really does look like ginger ale because it's fizzy. I don't know why I feel like Gary Vee over here with his wine library.
Little hint of lemon and lime coming through.
Okay, this might be the worst smelling one. Okay, it's really fizzy. It's a little bit sweet. Hold on, let me try the red one again. Oh no, the red one's better than this. I don't know, something about this one is just off-putting to me. Kind of reminds me of a really light grape juice, but the smell is really strong. And it's a bit fizzy too. I don't know. Okay, let's do a verdict. All right, so the first one we tried was the red wine. It's more so grape drink with a bit of vinegar. A 6.1 out of 10. After that, we had the Chardonnay Blanc. This one was my favorite. I would honestly buy this one again. It hits the spot. I don't know what I would drink this with. If you have any recommendations, let me know, but an 8.7 out of 10. And then we had the Virgin Rose. It's almost a diluted, watered down grape drink. A 6.3 out of 10. And the last one was the Organic Brut Sparkling. I think this one was the worst. It has a really strong wine smell, a 2.6 out of 10. So yeah, I don't drink, I don't plan to drink, and 0% alcohol wines have been around for a while. I got these from Halal Wine Cellar. I don't know, I don't get it. Apart from maybe the ones that actually taste a bit sweet, I'm just not into that smell.